What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips, bringing you a quick tip on a Wednesday. I got a Cadillac SRX4, I believe it is. SRX4. What happened was the module shorted out on the lift gate and it stopped working. So let me show you what happened. If you look right up inside here, there's a sunroof. There's two tubes that drain the roof in the rear, one on the left side, one on the right side. You also have two up front, but we're just concerned with the rear. The one on the right side was leaking real bad, and it was filling up with water all inside here. Matter of fact, you can still see water down inside here. The module to the liftgate is located, sorry about the lighting. The module to the liftgate is located right here. And what happened was it shorted out the module. I tested the pump is fine. But let me show you how to get in one of these gates. If your module shorted out, so when the gate's closed, go through the back doors. There's a light right here. Pop that light out. And if you do, you'll see two cutouts, a big one and a small one. If you take a flathead screwdriver and you go through that small cutout, so you got to get a good view on it. There's a metal rod in there. If you push on that rod, the gate will pop right open. And that's another one of Cadillac's great designs. Alright guys, that's it for this quick tip. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.